Welcome to our channel where we explore the mysteries of the universe. In this video, we will be delving deep into the origins of our very own planet, Earth. The story of how Earth came to be is truly fascinating and one that we are excited to share with you today. The universe is believed to be around 13.8 billion years old, and it all began with the Big Bang. After the Big Bang, the universe was just a hot and dense soup of particles, but as it expanded and cooled down, these particles began to come together to form the very first stars and galaxies. Fast forward to around 4.6 billion years ago, and a cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula began to collapse under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it started to spin and flatten out into a disk shape, with most of the mass at the center forming what we now know as the Sun. The rest of the material in the disk clumped together to form the planets, including Earth. At first, Earth was a hot and molten ball of rock. But over time, as it cooled down, it began to form a solid crust on the surface. Volcanic activity spewed out gases such as water vapor, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, which eventually formed our atmosphere. It wasn't until around 3.5 billion years ago that life began to emerge on Earth. Simple organisms such as bacteria and algae were the first to appear, and they slowly evolved into more complex life forms over millions of years. So there you have it, the story of how Earth was created. From a cloud of gas and dust to the beautiful blue and green planet we call home. It's truly amazing to think about the journey our planet has been on to get to where it is today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the origins of Earth as much as we enjoyed sharing it with you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos about the universe. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you thought of this video.